Hi, in this video I will show you how to program your iRobot Roomba. You need to open iRobot app and you will have the main screen like that. And to program you need to go to schedule, tap on it, and you have all the days of the week. So for example, tap on Monday, select an hour to start, save changes, and you have programmed your Roomba to start cleaning every Sunday at 11 AM. You can do that for every day of the week, and also you can schedule do not disturb. It's the time when your Roomba will not clean to stay silent. And that's all. This is how you program your iRobot Roomba. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.